Who has some materials?
Logan, get my stuff. We have the you have fuck. Shit. One of you have the things to get the lodestone back, right?
You stay on the ship. I'll come and get you. I'll be back, kids. I gotta go get.
Wait, where is he at?
You guys died.
Wait, let me go in your boat.
No, wait. Don't go by the. Oh my gosh, this takes forever.
They just killed me. He's a bad father.
Where is he?
We're at the spawn ship. Alright, Mel, give us the lodestone. You can strike me down! But the lodestone, the come by. If they get burned, we can't.
TNT burn everything?
Melody. Why?
Because I.
Wait, Brayden. It's your time to shine, Brayden. You need to bring the 3 compasses. Bro, our shit's despawning. Bring the teleport to spawn with the lodestone and bring 3 ones back to the island. Go to the ship and bring 3 of the ones to the island we just found. Who are half these people?
Oh,
I think all our shit's despawned, huh? Loot him! Loot him up!
no. Get over!
Wait, you have the way back. Is that Ethan? Raiden, please. It's a matter of it's of time. Or it's just gonna despawn soon. The little guy's got an axe. He's a baby brute. We need you to teleport us back. Is the thing. Yes. Wait. Did they just? He can't get up. All right, give me a compass. We need to get out of here. Bitch! Hey, kill Nate. Who had the compass? Who had the compass? Oh, give me, please. We only need one. Where are these small guys? Okay, just one person at a time, File in. Okay. Someone give Nate his trident back. I don't know. Someone has it from here. Someone kill Ethan. Strike him down.
Okay, does anyone have
Boat. Okay, all my shit is despawned, but it's still back. Wait, now he knows which way we're at. Fuck.
Alright. I say we take this safe up. Wait. I have all the compasses. Come on, follow me. We're gonna get out of here.
Who has my phone?
I don't have it. I don't have mine with me either.
Guys, kill
Hey,
the bad.
is this safe?
Put that on.
Tell your
Tell your husband to stop attacking us and we'll stop.
Ethan is jumping us, and then Nate keeps jumping in, and then Ethan keeps jumping back in, and then we all keep dying.
I need to have
Compass.
a
I have a compass.
Compass. Give that to Bear Bear. Okay.
I
Go
got
to
it.
shipyard. Everyone get to shipyard.
Alright, I got my stuff
Anybody
back.
have my phone?
I do not. I don't have anyone's heirloom.
Hurry.
I'll tell Nate all the heirlooms are gone.
Mine's not gone. So tell him mine's not. So it's good.
Okay.
Okay, so you
That's-
have your heirloom, and no one has yours, I don't think. What's yours called?
How's it going, everyone?
Drew, we just like got like a massive fight with Nate.
Me, Logan, and Jimmy, right? Logan doesn't have his, or Jimmy doesn't have his? Jimmy, do you have yours?
Ethan being on my team, problem.
Yeah, your teammate's causing problems.
You have
Okay, wait,
Evil
do you have yours,
teammates.
Jimmy? Does anyone have Jimmy?
you have an evil teammate. Your other teammate's decent. I don't know who's your favorite.
Okay, does anyone have Jimmy's heirloom?
Thank you. What is it?
A crossbow? Okay.
I do not know.
Stinger? Stinger?
I
Stings?
took.
No one has stings? Alright, I'll tell Nate. Me and Jimmy.
I have so
I have
many
a compass
compasses. I
for
have
the lightning ship.
Yes! I knew it!
little
This...
island.
How'd they already find that?
I have... That's the trident I have! That was my trident!
Bro, Nate was obsessed with that weapon. Of course
This
he
is
has
God's
it.
blood. This is God's blood. I don't know. Okay,
Guys, you
does
have all
anyone
my
have...
beds.
I don't think the bed's made it, Bray.
I have a bed.
I have bed.
Oh, I'm gonna get these moss chunks, though, and the mud.
Guys, should I just like take a risk and go to the lightning ship?
There's I don't think there'd be
no,
anything
I won't
there.
risk it.
Yeah.
I
No,
found
'cause
a
they already got
villager
the-
boat earlier.
They already
What's
got...
the little island?
Yeah, but...
Alright, yep. That makes sense.
Which
Yeah.
one of you nincompoops has my axe? I swear to God!
No, none
We
of us
don't have
your
Y'all
axe.
were
We-
jumping
and
me, and
we-
every single item I own
Ye-
is gone
Ethan
now.
has it. If anything,
Yeah, Ethan ran
has
off with
it.
some
We
stuff.
murdered Ethan,
Ethan
and
took
he didn't
everyone's
have
stuff.
anything.
Oh, wait, what's your axe
Well,
called?
Mine and
Nothing.
Jimmy's and yours are all gone, so we don't know what to do.
Nate. What's your axe called? What's your axe called?
Airball.
Airball? Okay, Nate.
Gold.
I think I found it.
Please, Jimmy,
Oh,
I need
shit.
where my team is. We don't.
Oh, their
you
team
are
is on
separated
Little
right now.
Island. We don't want to go there yet, but
We do.
Lucas is getting Jimmy.
Okay, thank you, Lucas.
Or, yeah, not Jimmy, Nate. What are you doing? Huh?
Donovan and I are gonna start.
We apologize.
Bro, I was
That was
just
a
about.
terrible apology.
This was not our intentions.
Okay, I no longer need a little island compass. I just got one.
Oh, okay, good. Lucas give you one? Or...
I do need that stupid lightning thing back. I will come back to kill all of you if I don't get that thing back.
One minute.
Why do you want that bag?
It is no use to you. It's at 8 durability.
Yeah, it's not use to you either then, is it?
It is a use to me. Let's just look into each other's eyes while I'm standing.
There was a boat under us. That's why. But here. Guys, should I eat it?
Oh God.
You know what,
Eat
Nate?
what?
Eat all pork chops.
Alright, get in a boat, everybody.
Wait, I'm getting.
Let's get out. Oh yeah, and then do we have any iron? Again, no one has an iron pickaxe to break the furnace.
Wait.
What
can we
is
get some
happening?
wood first?
Take care.
Wait.
Oh yeah, that'll work. Can you break the furnace real quick? Yeah, let's break it. Does anyone have wood or a sapling?
No.
'Cause if-
I have 24 wood.
26 planks.
I mean, yeah, right.
Positive 800. 800. Oh shit! I thought you said 8,000. Fuck. Shit, that's alright.
Will I die if I go out there?
You can't get out there.
Oh yeah, don't go out there.
Oh wait, shit! We found a boat.
Oh, right. Oh no, it's one of these.
Wait, do we think I can hop in though?
Lock in. What? Do you not see the zombies?
Wait here.
Does anyone have have like a bow we can use?
Guys, how do I eat? How do I
You
eat
just
milk?
It has to be cooked. No.
It says fried.
Yeah, that's good. Eat it. No loot.
Oh no, they're gonna kill us. There's no loot?
Oh shit! I'm lagging out. I'm lagging out. I can't hit shit. Yeah, bro, I'm lagged. I'm lagged. Oh wait, I can't hit people now. Okay. My bad. Sorry.
Sorry. You can't hit the zombies.
Yeah, I can't either.
Okay, zombies are being hard. I'm gonna
All right, let's just move.
let's get back to our boat.
Yeah, let's back.
That might be the best. Oh, are we here?
We're here. We're here, guys. We're here.
Okay, let's go meet Logan somewhere. We can live here. This is actually a pretty good.
This is
spot.
a good like middle home, if anything.
There's a way.
There should be, isn't there?
Do you think they've already? It's already been looted?
Uh-uh.
No, I don't think it's already been looted.
No one's been on the side of the map. No one's been over here.
No one's come this way.
That would be nice.
This would be a good like
Oh,
home.
no, there it is.
You have your own city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you need to cooperate with your own.
Alright, let's get up, get the boats.
Should we take the boats?
It doesn't really
Yeah,
matter
let's
anything. It's not like you can use it. You can go up on it.
Okay, I'm together.
That's home, bro.
I'll just...
Logan, we're here, boy.
I'm really impatient, so I'm like,
Oh, I fell.
I'm really impatient.
have to leave and rejoin real quick.
No, just get on the island first.
Also, Melody, your mic's doing the buzzing again.
I'll take my headphones off in a second then. No, that's my head.
Place a bed and make sure it's my respawn point, and I'm gonna rejoin real quick.
Where did you go? Oh, you just went back.
Okay, where are you guys at? Because I'm just on this island in general. I don't know what's going on.
I'm gonna get my headphones off.
Hey, I see diamonds up there in the side of the wall kind of thing.
Gone.
Should we like build bridges kind of, but like right now with like I don't know. I'm just gonna use dirt and try to make my way across.
Why do you have 3 crafting tables?
You never know when you have enough.
You know what? Here, I'll help you out.
I have 43 raw steak.
I should make
Damn.
Wait, so you guys know what this island is? Is
We
it
know-
good?
It's alright. It's not anything spectacular, but it's decent.
It's a good stopping point.
There's a lot of mobs over here, so I'm just trying to get it up. And then Lucas, for the lighthouse, kind of like not wait, but oh my god, I'm moving. Melody, get out of bed.
Creeper,
Oh,
I'm holding
what
back. have so much armor. I have like I'm already in like 13 rank already.
Did you go to the lighthouse?
No.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I cleared the creeper. We're safe from that guy. Okay, go to sleep. Go to sleep.
We need one more person.
Oh my god, yes! Keep your beds down because there's a respawn point.
Yeah, we'll need them.
Fix your bed though.
Yeah, you can fix it.
Alright, guys, I'm going to lighthouse now.
I just fell in the water on accident.
Oh,
but
it's okay. Get yourself back up. That's fine. And you have your respawn here. Which I don't think Logan did.
He did not.
No.
Yeah, Sam.
Yeah.
Mel, can you retrieve him? I gave you the compasses. The compi.
I don't know where the thing is.
It's up in the lighthouse.
Guys. Does anyone have 1 diamond?
No.
Did.
I have 2 diamonds.
Jimmy, I need 1 diamond.
Okay, I'll come find you. Where are you?
I'll make it to you. I just need 1 diamond. I found something that will help us greatly.
Do I just, like,
It's
get my
fine.
blocks?
Music does.
Y'all about to see the advant
Like,
in.
tower up there?
I'm just coming down. Just drop me the diamond.
Okay. Oh, it's a staircase. I'm down. Okay.
Thanks.
Will it give you an achievement and it will tell other people? Will it do that?
It will tell other people, but it's fine.
Okay.
This is gonna be fear tactics, okay? They're gonna get scared. They're gonna start working worse.
What are you Wigan doing, yo?
Okay, so my pro tip is you might wanna mine those nodes. Mine all the way through them.
Is there what I think there is in there?
There might be what you think there is in there. Better than diamond.
Hold up.
Does anybody have a pickaxe?
I do.
Can I steal it from you?
You could borrow it.
Okay. Thank you.
To go get all my stuff. Is there a way down without dying? There is.
Yeah.
Guys, prepare in chat, prepare.
Prepare for what? I knew it.
Look at the fucking nodes,
What
guys.
is that? I don't know what that is.
Guys, I'm
Makes
so
you
good at
scared.
this. I'm a businessman. I'm really good at this, guys.
What are you
Trust me.
negotiating with?
Yeah, what
I'm
do you
negotiating,
with
and I'm winning,
with
guys.
who?
That's it's top secret.
Just like the picture of the guy talking to the wall.
Okay, okay, stop it.
Negotiating with the voices. Okay, I am breaking trees. The leaves haven't fallen yet, but when they do, like these ones,
Chicken.
Have 14 saplings.
good, replant.
18.
You're at the coordinates that the video gave?
Yes.
Bro, why didn't you tell us you're going, mate? We'll head to you now. Oh, I didn't hear that, man. Remember? Shit, how far is it, man? How far?
Dog. Why is Logan going on?
Hey.
Logan's on a fucking side quest right now.
Yeah, bro, he's just dead ass
He's on
bolting
the
it.
main quest actually. He's on the main quest.
Does anyone have a?
Ethan, I'm heading over to you, man.
Is this gonna be like our house?
Yes, be our
Maybe, yeah.
homestead.
Sacrifice.
Just what color is your dye?
Infinity for multi-shade.
I don't know, but I'm like,
What do you have?
I'm street south of you, which is the best way I can describe it. I'm the closest one that's street south.
I have.
Stop making it ugly. Stop.
Guys, Mel, I found another island. Going to Vlad, or going to Logan.
I'm raising this pit. Don't mind me.
I'll be over there shortly. I'm just gonna explore this place a little bit, Logan.
Okay, I'm gonna work on the house. Come on.
Alright, yeah, we need someone to work on the house, yeah.
I just did it. It sucks.
Hey, nice.
Cobble. Why are we using cobble?
Because that's all we have.
It's tacky. I have 88 logs.
We are not making a cabin, good sir.
We can make planks.
You don't
And
need
also
to
the
do
roof. Oh, well.
Anybody have
Also, it's really
the
short.
moving the
And also,
roof.
why am I sleeping outside?
You're not.
You're not
I'm
pervert
adding
team.
on
Because I'm on my way to you too.
Alright, I'll meet you in the middle then, I guess.
cut down several more trees. Freedom, don't die out there.
I saw an arrow.
Great. Oh, the creeper.
I'm currently at 3k. But I'm getting close. Okay, I see you on the minimap. Yep. There you are.
Yeah, push it like in. Yeah.
And then I'll make
Maybe here.
more like fences and all that so that we can do cows.
Okay. Might want to move them back a bit though.
You want me to
I'm
move the
still
whole?
making more planks. Actually, I have a stack of planks right here.
Listen to these three
Eventually,
struggle to make
eventually.
base.
What's that?
I'll do it later. We need more.
Oh, so why'd you want a door?
So
It's
when
really
we just like
specific.
stop sleeping?
For underwater?
Nope.
Anybody want to
Here
help?
is the cords.
There for now.
Right on this block.
Right on this block?
Yes. We go. That's why I had to go down first, or what?
Wait. Let me watch the video again. I'm just checking these. Wait.
We don't really need to put flooring in here since it's where the wall.
Go up or down first.
Anything
I
that's
don't
not
think this
covered
is
like
right.
space or-
Those cords are too easy.
Yeah, I thought it'd be to the
I don't think it would be to there.
Well, you want me to start building up then?
Come on, you gotta jump over the grass. You gotta jump over the grass to get some, you fatty. Thank you.
Damn. What the cow did to you?
It
Really?
literally
That
stuck in
cow.
the grass.
Okay, Ray. You got
Yeah.
one in.
And then you can breed the cows.
Oh. I love that.
Get in, quick. All the way to
So
the
I'll
top.
head down, you head up, I guess.
On the wild, wild sea, a ship cuts through the spray. Pirates bold with hearts of gold.
That's what span. Okay, yes.
Oh, okay.
This is what
What?
who is that?
Ian.
Oh, I swear there's a new username every single time I join. What is this?
Yeah, well, maybe you should have been on the whole time.
Show you the way.
Is that it?
Yes, it
Oh
is.
my- I didn't look at this. Yeah. Yeah, you can. But it's fine. Still is. I don't know. Yes. Okay, so I may have found a crossbow powered 3 flame punch 2 infinity.
Oh, on what
Wait,
island?
is that Jimmy?
Or-
It was a pillager's outpost or like fishing ship. I don't know.
Oh, sick.
Okay, never mind.
It was in the middle of the like. Oh, thanks, Jimmy. That's such a huge hint, bro.
Poland, guys, we're in Poland.
That's a whole circle, yo.
Poland.
Isn't Poland more white?
Poland's red and white.
Yeah, that's like a gray.
Maybe down from where?
I don't know what you're talking about yet. I'm not there yet. Give me a second. Jump. Jimmy, no! Don't say that to my teammate. yo.
Jump. Build.
Don't do it. Oh my gosh, 38 seconds. Are we for real, homeboy?
8 seconds
1,
or
2,
what?
3, 4, 5 till I can teleport. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Oh, there's so many one of your traders
18,
here.
21,
Yeah.
22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31,
no,
32,
there's
Oh, it's
33,
worthless.
35, 36,
Oh,
37.
it's those guys.
I'm okay right now. Bye bye, Ian. Oh, he's deafened. Oh, that brother deafened, yo.
More useless.
What?
Oh, here we go.
What the?
Yeah.
Right now.
Yay!
So,
Yay!
you have
Oh.
to figure out.
How to get down? Oh,
I
dang.
just looked at my bucket. Okay, I had to make sure.
This is a interesting scenario. I see. Where's the entrance to get back? Oh,
Mel, I have a question.
did we just fall down?
We know where the ball.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we don't fall down. Gosh, freaking darn! I'm all the way back here. Wait, I'm all the way back here. I'm all the way back at the. Oh my gosh.
Mel, I have a question.
Technically, I can have now
I'm just taking a picture of this for later use.
a bed placed in my room,
Mel, I have a question.
Yeah, what is
but
it?
I know you can't.
If there's a
I-
thing
You want
that
me to
decides
come back to you?
if it's generated by you, like it's stone generated by you, does it have origin?
Do you want me to come back to you?
What do you mean if it's generated by me? Because the entire world's been
On the
generated.
island? Yeah, there should
Yeah.
be.
Okay, so it's like randomly like.
Back to the ship or the village alone?
Yeah, they're normal.
Oh, hold on.
Scum tree.
Yeah, they're all structures.
Oh yeah, they're crucifying
It's
thing.
like
What the hell?
it's like a normal like.
Yeah, hit me. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, someone should tell Nate about this.
What?
Yeah, it's fine.
About what?
This was yellow before.
Yeah, it's fine. I guess.
I'll tell him.
Tell him a little bit later. Tell him when we leave this place.
Yeah, this is not something we need to tell him right now.
Please, again. Yeah. There we go. Hey, I'm back.
Hey,
All
we
right.
back in action, boys. Oh, gambling time.
Infinity is so goated.
No.
I just only go to forever.
I'm poor. Because I can't gamble yet.
I can't either. I didn't bring anything.
You know, just ask Nate
Ask Nate what?
for my upgrade instead of getting like multi-shot or like super quick charge.
Yeah, you have a
What if
cooldown.
I made infinity for the rockets?
The upgrades have already been made. It's too late to change them.
No,
Yeah,
like for
but
the,
maybe it's just 5.
for the upgrade on it.
No, yeah, that's they do that. You can't request any upgrades. Nate said that to me.
So,
It's too late. If you want to do
Oh,
that, you
crap.
should have done that a while ago.
Here's the thing upgrades itself.
Yeah, you gotta bring it somewhere.
I have a bed, but that's where I died. Cannonball crap! Oh, I made it! I made it!
alright, I'm
What
gonna
did you
Oh,
make?
dude. I can't take it.
I jumped, yeah. Oh my gosh. You don't understand, I jumped, yeah. Okay, now I don't know how to enter, yo.
Wait, there-
Stone variants smell.
Variants?
Stone variants, yep.
This is a very interesting.
Oh,
building.
obsidian. Obsidian. What the hell is the point of that?
Oh wait, I
What's in
entered
there?
right here. Oh man, not again. Not
I
again.
think that's the trade. I don't
Oh, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Josh, how the fuck are you gonna win?
I don't know if this is supposed to be here still.
It's
Let's
the
just, like-
machine.
I think it is. I think we're not supposed to reach it.
It's a machine.
There, I
guys.
fixed it. You know.
It's a
I
machine.
need coal.
machine?
The thing I just used to get that achievement. It says who needs rockets. It's using wind charge, but there's a specific machine.
Oh, look at this. I fell.
I just
Oh.
should I place the bed?
To the water.
Because I can't get back up.
Wait, Abab, wait.
What?
I placed a bed outside. I know that's not gonna help much, but
So
if you can reset your spawn, if you can click it while you're falling, you might be able to set your respawn point.
have a bed in the research lab.
What?
I'm going to
Research
try
lab.
and let you.
Netherite's only 4 diamonds? Wait.
Lucas.
Hey.
Look. Let me show you to our new home.
Oh, okay. Oh, the research. Oh. Whoa. Skirt. Oh my gosh, you can drift.
I
Okay,
recommend
I see.
not going in.
In what room? Oh, this room?
Oh.
Interesting. Yeah, that probably be a good idea. What we got in here? Nothing. All right.
Well then, there's no point in me trying to get up here. Wait, how did you even?
Wait. Oh.
Ah.
Got it.
was the lighthouse up there?
There's two. Yo, yo. Guys, fellas,
I'm heading to the lighthouse.
This
Fellas.
copper guy needs to stop playing.
why are all you named Bill?
They're all named Bill
Nah, this science guy.
Trident.
Guys, oh. Oh, dang, that sounds scary. Oh my gosh, this is...
Oh yeah, I remember that guy.
This
Alright,
is
Mel, I
scary,
got
yeah.
I got the compasses, the
I'm
compi.
gonna get my bed. Hold up,
Oh, sound right.
Give me
I'm gonna go get the bed I placed.
skeleton
This-
camp. One hot.
This is low-key a fire base, though.
Make what?
Bread.
I can make bread.
Limited. Oh yeah.
Because I had all the wheat, and I was wondering what we're using for.
Wait, is that why you were confused of why we had like chickens and wheat if we couldn't make cake? Is that?
I want to play Helldivers, low-key.
Well, I still don't get what we have.
Nah, I'm...
Actually, yeah.
So Mel, were you on the dock when you died, or where's your stuff at?
Pretty close to like.
What
either-
happened? Like,
Were you in like the
Got it
main
out.
town, or what? Were you like in the main town, or what?
Oh, the dock itself. Like,
oh my gosh.
Alright.
Alright, guys, you know what time it is?
oh my god. It's the top of it. Like it's a bridge-like area.
Oh, there you are. Wait, hold up.
And then I got shot.
Oh, yeah.
Did you lose your stuff, or what happened?
Yeah. And I can't get back.
Dang.
Oh,
What are you
breed now,
doing?
Breed with each other. Breed.
Why are you collecting all this kelp? Actually, wait, that doesn't seem like a bad...
Yeah,
Well,
dark
good
kelp is good food.
Yeah.
Now you two breed.
I forgot it's a food source, okay. Yeah,
And
well,
also
there's a
dark
ton
kelp
of
is
that.
good to smelt with the blocks. There's more over here. There's more over here.
Okay, well, I don't think we need that much. Oh. Oh my gosh, the mini map is showing so much.
Dude, I don't. What the fuck, man? I want a mini map.
Do you have a mod pack or a mod place you use?
Why is there a wandering trader? What?
Because they spawn? You don't need mods.
Lucas, did you find it, or should I tell
I found it, I just putting it all
Mel,
in the chest.
do you mind if I use some of the emeralds?
If you what?
If I use some of our emeralds because of the wandering trader?
I made a mistake.
You mean you
There's
made
an
a
iron pickaxe
mistake?
with efficiency on it. Efficiency 1.
I got a little excited with the cow.
Is it worth it or not?
How'd you get a little excited?
How many
Oh
people?
my, bro, Abby,
What happened?
Abby.
Bro, your
Wait,
team
what are you
sounds so
doing?
interesting.
I need this guy. I'm putting him in a cage.
Get up! How many people?
Abby.
If I give him a water bucket, he'll give us an emerald.
What?
And we can do it.
We don't have
Oh my gosh, now I gotta
to
explain.
spare though. Have sugarcane?
I'm slamming this llama out. Okay. Are you gonna stop? Are you gonna stop doing that?
Oh my gosh,
Would you?
Yes.
Eli's so mean, bro.
Okay.
What?
No, I have 2 stacks. I'm okay. I don't need more kelp.
Oh wait. Melody, I gotta leave.